What if you could run a Claude-style AI model on your own laptop for free with nothing going to the cloud, no tokens, and nothing leaving your machine? Most people have no idea this is even possible right now, but there's a new model called Qwythos 9B that does exactly that, and I've already got it running. Stick around, because later I'm going to show you the part almost everyone gets wrong about its million token context window. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's start with what this thing actually is. Qwythos 9B is a small local AI model you can grab completely free through Olama. It's built on a QN 3.59B base model, and it's been post-trained to think and write in a Claude-style way. So it's aimed at writing, reasoning, and actually building things, not just answering trivia questions. The headline feature is a 1 million token context window, and we'll get into what that number really means in a minute because it's not quite as simple as it sounds. The big idea here is that this thing runs 100% on your own machine. No cloud, no token cost, nothing leaving your computer. Is it going to outperform a frontier model like Opus 4.8? No, probably not. But can it genuinely reason and build real things while running entirely offline? Yeah, it actually can. And that's a big deal for something this small. Getting it up and running is surprisingly simple. If you don't already have Olama installed, that's the free tool that lets you run models like this directly on your computer. You install it, make sure it's running in the background, then you copy one command straight from the models page and run it in your terminal. That downloads the model and starts it up for you. The recommended build comes in at around 5.6 gigabytes, which is genuinely tiny compared to a lot of local models that balloon into the tens of gigabytes. Once it's pulled, that's it. You're ready to go. No complicated setup required. Now here's where it gets interesting, because this isn't just a toy that answers chat questions. People have been testing it by having it draft landing page concepts, build simple task trackers, and even put together classic test apps like a digital clock, a working calculator, and a basic snake. Game, all running fully offline. Some of it comes out clean, some of it comes out a little glitchy, but the fact that a 5.6 gigabyte model running entirely on a laptop can build a working app at all is genuinely impressive. It's also worth knowing there's a lighter version around 4.4 gigabytes if you want something faster on lower end hardware, and a near lossless version around 9.5 gigabytes if you want it as close to the full quality as possible. So you can go smaller and faster or bigger and sharper depending on what your machine can actually handle. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. So why does a model this size perform as well as it does? It comes down to a stack of deliberate choices layered on top of that Qwen 3.59B base. First, you've got a solid 9 billion parameter open base model to start with. Then, it's been post-trained specifically on Claude-style reasoning and writing patterns, which is where that thinking and writing style comes from. On top of that, the context window has been stretched out using a technique called yarn, which is how it gets anywhere near that 1 million token figure. And finally, it's been quantized down using Olama and llama.cpp, which is what makes it small enough to actually run on a normal laptop instead of needing a server rack. Put all of that together and you get something that can think and write like a much bigger model, while still living entirely on your own hardware. It's also built as a proper thinking model with native function calling, which matters a lot if you're planning on using it inside any kind of agent setup. Now, remember that 1 million token context window I mentioned at the start? Here's the part most people get wrong about it. That number is the theoretical ceiling, not something you actually get out of the box. In the real world, our Llama loads the model with a much smaller window by default, and how big it actually runs depends entirely on how much RAM your machine has. The longer the context window, the more memory it eats up. So in practice, you're picking a window size that fits what your computer can handle, not the number printed on the box. In testing, sometimes a longer response would just cut off midway, even with that huge context number attached to the model. Other times, it ran perfectly fine. So treat the 1 million as a marketing ceiling, not a promise, because the real limit is always going to be your RAM. Let's be straight about where this thing actually stands. On the good side, it's free, it's private, it's fast for its size, it's genuinely light on storage, and it's got that Claude style reasoning along with native tool and function calling, which makes it actually usable inside agent systems. It can build real working things, not just chat back at you. On the not so good side, it's still a 9 billion parameter model, so it's nowhere near frontier level and you shouldn't expect it to be. That massive context window doesn't really show up in practice the way the number suggests. It can be a little slow to load the first time you run it. There is no built-in memory or tools, it's just the raw model on its own. And every now and then outputs come out a bit messy or cut off early. Sometimes it nails the task perfectly, sometimes it doesn't. And that inconsistency is just part of the trade-off you make with a small local model like this. So who is this actually for? If you want a private AI that never sends your work anywhere near the cloud, this is worth trying. If you want to test what local models are capable of building before committing to anything paid, this is a solid place to start. And if you're into building AI agents and want a free engine to power them without racking up token costs, this is genuinely a good entry point. It costs nothing to try, and you're not locked into just chatting with it in a terminal either. It can be wired into pretty much any agent setup you're already running. Local models like this are getting better fast, and they're nowhere near frontier level yet, but the gap is closing quicker than most people realize, and that alone makes this worth keeping an eye on. A year ago, something this small trying to reason and build working apps offline would have sounded like a stretch. Now it's sitting right there, free to download, running quietly in the background on ordinary laptops. That's the real story here. Not just one model, but how fast this whole local AI space is moving. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.